You're recording me, great. Shut up.
You got the hiccups.
No, I don't.
You do.
No, I don't.
You do.
You're a distraction to my driving, bro.
How? When I'm only holding my phone and vaping.
Oh, my face. Oh, that actually really hurts.
I think you need some water.
I need something. I was about to say hi, and I burped it up instead. I'll go this way.
Do you want to really go on the supermarket with your hiccups, or do you want me to go in?
I'll just go grab something, and then I'll get you to go in and go pay for it.
Right.
This is not cool.
It's funny though.
How the fuck do you get rid of it? It hurts.
You drink water very slowly.
Well, other than the rain, I have no water with me.
Well, then wait till we get home.
I don't even know how it came about. Let me guess, you're gonna show this to Dad when he gets home?
Well, yeah, and post it.
Okay, you can start recording me now.
Who tooted? Toot if you're horny.
Yes, if you want to post it, okay.
Well,
Okay,
it's
you
funny.
can start recording me now.
It's funny.
Put your phone. If you love me,
Yeah?
you're so fuck my life.
No.
It hurts.
Well, then get rid of it.
I don't know how to.
I just told you, drink water.
But there's no water here. Hey, look, I've got hiccups.
You think you really want to go to the supermarket with a hiccup?
I'm hungry. Leave me alone.
Well, why don't I go in and grab what you want?
But you don't know what I want. I don't even know what I want.
Well, then I'll call you.
Okay, you can start recording me now. I'm driving.